It's me. I know. Some of you are still wondering, is the bird still loose in the house? And the answer is yes. Lola. There it is. Flying around. You see, I don't know. I'm I'm gonna leave this door open and just see. Just see if it'll go on out by itself. I mean, I stayed up way past my bedtime messing with this dadgum bird. I couldn't catch it. One of my friends suggested a swimming pool pole. You know, one of them long poles with an head on the end of it, stuff like that. That's genius. But I don't have one of those. So, we're just gonna see if it goes out while I'm getting ready for work.